Well, kids, there it is. My freaking arsenal. That's all going up at once. Yeah, 750 shots, 119 shots. All those shots all at once. This is gonna be freaking sweet. Guys, really do appreciate it.
Oh, no doubt, no doubt.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
This is still gonna rock.
Yep.
Okay,
we got the
guys.
king set up with the Ransom. We got about 55 shots of some desert storms. We got some great hurricanes. 35
Nice
shots
dragon.
of great hurricanes. We got some nice dragons. It's about to be a grand finale, all grand finales, people.
Oh, this is gonna be sweet. Okay, Chris.
Yep.
And I didn't catch your guys' names.
I'm Jeremy.
Jeremy. And Dale. Dale. I want to thank you guys.
Right on.
It would take me all night without you to get this taken care of. Okay. This is for all my bros out there that could not make it.
Hold on, you want me to take it?
Sure.
Alright.
It's for all my bros out there that couldn't make it this year. I understand finances, the economy, and whatnot. Hopefully we'll be able to do this again next year or maybe even later this year. I also want to thank some of the online people, Frakheads, people over at the Exodus, and those crazy cats in Echo Isles, including Dreadnaut. You guys are the best of the best.
Right on.
Thank you.
Right on.
Okay. Well,
There we go.
we're going to go ahead and launch this in a unique way. And I want to wish everybody a safe and happy 4th of July!
That's
Okay,
what we're talking about. Hey, definitely a safe and happy 4th of July. Just make sure you do it right. Make sure that we set this. Make sure that we set it straight.
Who knows
be
it's
all right.
from Independence Day? Today is our Independence Day.
Yeah, that's all I know. Bill Paxton. We will not take fire into the night. We will not surrender without a fight. We're going to live out.
There we go. We got some other people's fireworks going off right now. They ain't gonna be as good as this, though. They think they know, but they have no idea. This is the true life of all of our fireworks. Right on. Here we go, D.
Anyone got a lighter?
Oh yeah, we definitely got lights. We definitely have lights.
Oh.
Lights.
My lighting. I want to step on this shit here. Go ahead and just.
You know, we had the remote detonator, but they sold us a shitty ass remote detonator. It's on like Donkey Kong right now. Here we go. This is where we're at. There you go, baby. There you go. Yeah! More. There's more where that came from. Oh, don't you worry. Don't you worry. All right. Happy 4th of July. Thanks to D. Right here. All right, yeah. How about that? How about that, baby? Woohoo! Where you at? Where you guys at? Nobody got nothing on this, huh? How about D? How about D? He knows. Ah! All right, baby. There we go, D.
All right.
Right to the camera. Yeah, boy. There we go. D for his words.
All right. This was an awesome 4th of July.
Right on. Look at
Fire
that. It's on
proves
fire.
Yes.
Boom. That's it. That's on point right there. That's what we're talking about.
Oh.
There we go.
The joy of freedom.
The
joy of freedom.
Independence Day, baby.
Woo!
4th of July. That's what it's all about right there, people. You know.
Rockin'.
That's what it's all about. There you go.
Oh, thank you, sir. Man.
Oh, wow. That's good. That's real good.
Give a shout out to Moapa. Safe in Afghanistan.
Still people shooting off fireworks.
What was
but
that?
Ain't nobody here like D. Ain't nobody here like Big D. About to go light my cigarette off that flame over there.
Go light up the flame. No, go light up the flame.
Now you got a nice bonfire after the fact.
Before and after.
That's the after effect right there. Big D's fire explosion. Big fire effects right there.
Did you fucking hear the crowd, dude? Oh, man.
The crowd is going off. That's all I see right there is King's Ransom right there, you know? They're like the nice big sign of King's Ransom.
Definitely get a shot of that.
That's it. That's what you're gonna have to call your fireworks show from now on. King's Ransom right there. You know? Anybody want to mess with the King's Ransom? I don't know. Good job. Let me shake your hand. Thanks, man. Appreciate it myself.
You know what? I want to thank you guys for serving.
Hey,
You know what? That is.
hey, anytime, man. I love it, to be honest with you. I love it. See, that's what we get from Cali right there. Come all the way out to the... Come all the way past Vegas. He said, fuck Vegas. You know, fuck Vegas and their fireworks. I'm gonna go out to the fucking Indian reservation, blow off my own goddamn fireworks. Yep. Notice how everybody stopped around here?
Oh,
and just
dude,
watched the
no
fucking sun?
fireworks were going off at all.
No, nobody was going off. That was great. That was definitely great.
Man, we had like fucking 3 times where I slowed down, and then boom, it goes again.
Yep. It just kept on going. I was like, it's not over. It's not over yet.
Nice.
There you go, boy.
Those fuckers are pulling the ass of money, man.
Yeah. Just toss them all in there. Fuck it, they'll go off.
I even put the fire out.
You know, we can't go up into anywhere, you know, that's gonna fucking... you know, like, right now it's like extreme fire warning. Are they gonna go off again or what?
I know.
Actually, it is.
Still some more
Don't
going
jump.
off.
Oh, check out those tubes. That looks cool.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. All on fire. Straight blue in it.